Toyota's iconic nameplate from the past might just be making a bold return. This is the 2026 Toyota Cressida, reborn for the modern era. Let's dive in. The Cressida was Toyota's luxury sedan before Lexus ever existed. Known for comfort, rear-wheel drive dynamics, and smooth inline-six engines, it earned its legendary status. Now, over 30 years later, Cressida is rumored to return, redesigned, re-engineered, and reimagined for the electric hybrid age. The new Cressida concept blends aggressive styling with elegance, from sharp LED matrix headlights to a wide low stance. The bold front grille screams confidence, while a sleek fastback roofline gives it that luxury edge. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Under the hood, rumors suggest two powerful options: a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid, pushing 325 horsepower, and a V6 plug-in hybrid, pumping out 420 horses, all paired with Toyota's latest ECVT, or 8-speed automatic and optional all-wheel drive. Inside, the new Cressida is expected to deliver a fully digital cockpit, ambient lighting, premium leather, and Level 2+ driver assist. Think of it as the sweet spot between the Toyota Crown and the Lexus Ease. While Toyota hasn't confirmed the Cressida just yet, if this is what the future looks like, we're all in. What do you think? Should Toyota bring the Cressida back? Let us know in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and dominate the road, only on Drive Domination.